Hello everyone, in today's video I want to go over my plants and install a few upgrades in this grow tent. So I was really happy to see today while I was checking on this tomato that I have my first flower. So soon I'll be able to shake that and maybe get a first tomato. The lettuces in the back are doing fairly well. The basil that I cut and basically I'm trying to make more plants out of it's doing okay. The pepper's fine. I need to trim a few leaves and I might trim it so that it makes more of a bush than it grows in height basically. Over there another lettuce is doing well and I'm propagating more mint. I'll need to clean that water. But in today's video, because these plants are becoming bigger and I'm not sure if I'll bring them outdoor or leave them inside, nonetheless I want them to get more robust, I'll install more fans to turn them on and off to just push them around. And another thing that I want to do is hook up this filter to also to the controller. So I have the accessories here. I'll put you down on this tripod and get to actually putting the setup. So you might see a time lapse. So as you can see, the fans are now installed. They're basically daisy chained together. They're just computer fans and they're connected to my adapter, my auxiliary adapter. It's the old design with the dip switches. Now the new design has a knob to select the channel you want it on. So the dip switch is on channel 6. The controller has channel 6 turned on because right now I have created an event on the Google Calendar. And you can see channel 6 is on. I've also connected down there's a ribbon cable that goes down to the pumps, and I've added another cable that you can see running all the way in the back, and it's now connected to this controller. So this power outlet accessory. And so this power outlet accessory is connected to the wall over here, and this yellow one is the actual fan for my carbon filter. And so right now it's set to channel 4. Channel 5 is the light, so if I flip the switch you should see a red light turn on and then the fan should spin up. So there we go. We can see that it's connected properly, and now I put it back to channel 4, and if I just drag this channel, right, this meeting that has channel 4, if I grab it and I drag it to the current moment, you should see that after, it generally takes 1 to 2 minutes, it depends, sometimes it's quick, but the controller will connect to the calendar, fetch the data, see that it has to turn it on, and then it'll turn it on. So you can see right now, boop, the channel 4 just got updated and it's turning on, and the carbon filter turns on. So now I'll be able to set the fans and the carbon filter on different schedules just to move air around at different intervals and help the airflow, and also make these a bit more robust. I might add more fans, or I might add another one of these big fans at another angle just to move them around and stress these plants. Alright, let me know what you think of this new setup and how the new accessories with the knobs. I'm really happy I went from dip switches to knobs. Let me know what you think.